Are you unhappy from the lack of results you're getting from trading Forex? And on top of that, you wasted hours and hours of your precious time to search for the right pairs to trade, and in the end only gain a little profit, break even, or even loss. And here's how we can help you make consistently huge profit and highly impressive returns with low risk investments. Look, here's proof. 62 pips, 298 pips, 138 pips, 53 pips, 164 pips, 43 pips, and 103 pips. Join our past VIP membership now, risk-free. Our Forex Insider signals are backed by impact price action analysis. We've analyzed and back-tested a few of potential trades before we give them to you. In fact, we've created a tool that identifies and leverages these price action patterns like a rocket, and we're able to uncover new gains and opportunities week after week like gangbusters. Here are some benefits why you should choose us. We save your time. We have laser accurate performance more than 85%. We do the hard work and we are consistent. And most importantly, we have 24/7 support and family environment. Here's how it works. All you do is just copy. We do the hard work. We send our insider signals via Telegram channel. Simply copy the signals we provided and then trade. Follow our profitable signals and trade like a pro and go about your business. No complications. And finally, profit. Make consistently huge profit and highly impressive returns with low risk investments. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader looking to get an edge, our comprehensive trading signals could give you the head start you need. We will rigorously analyze the Forex markets all day, every day, searching for the best trading opportunities. Whenever a trade is entered on our account, you will automatically receive a message with all the key details like entry, stop loss, and take profit price via our VIP Telegram channel. And what makes us really stand out from any other signal providers out there is our profitable Forex family environment. Unlike any other signal provider out there, we let our VIP members interact with one another via our VIP Telegram group, separate from our VIP Signals Telegram channel. Because we want to create not just a profitable Forex community, but a healthy family environment as well. Thousands of members on our social media are making money from our signals every day, and we're here to help you trade the Forex markets profitably. Our winning rates have been more than 85% for these past few months. And you don't have to take our word for it. We have live proofs. Follow us on social media and see our recent results, feedback, and testimonials. For a limited time, we have an offer you can't refuse. Try it before you decide. No credit card needed. Free for 14 days. Go to www.pass.com or click the link below. Sign up now. Do not wait, because this offer will end soon. You have nothing to lose but everything to gain. I will see you in the VIP membership area.